resulting here, which one is better? The question is whether you can use true if and if statement, or you should consider using if-else statements. Okay? So look at the example here. If age is 16, of course, less than 16, this is not going to happen. Okay? Age is 16, greater than or equal to 16, so this one will be printed. Okay, the first time. So let me make it clear. Okay, here there's a question A. Okay, here question B. Okay, for question B, okay, here 16 less than 16. Okay, it's not going to go through this, so it's going to be else. It means age is greater than or equal to 16. So it will print can get a driving license. Let's look at the outputs. Okay, both of them say can get a driving license, can get a driving license. Seems like everything is okay. Let's try. Okay, what if the student is 15? Okay, so if this 15, that's the less than 15, cannot get the driving license. Logically, it will still goes to the next statement here. Okay, the answer will be cannot get a driving license, but still evaluate this part. Okay, 15 is not greater than or equal to 16, so we are going to be here. Most important thing is no matter what, this will be evaluated. Okay. For question B, okay, age is 15 less than 16, so here, okay, print it. Cannot get a driving license. Okay, then we are going to be here. Okay, does not need to be evaluated. Okay, let me go back again. If it's less than 15, yeah, here you go. But this one still be evaluated. Okay, with wasting computer resources. Okay, so ideally, which one is better? B. Okay, so it's the same. Okay, B is better because same conditions. Okay, if it's true, do this. If it's not true, do that. Okay, don't repeat the same condition with a multiple if statement. Okay, that's not efficient. That's all. Thank you.